everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I'm going to work on an 8" by 8" square canvas, and as you can see I'm going to reuse this canvas. Just a reminder for me on this one is like this is one of my previous, like when I was learning bloom technique, this is one of the canvas that I worked, and it really shows me that how much practice I needed to master this technique. And so I'm going to just pour on this today. So again, this one is going to be another one of my split base. So let's just give me a second. I'm going to pour my bases. As you can see that as I am spreading the base coat, I am trying to keep my base coat as minimal as possible, meaning there should not be too much paint on the surface, because if you have too much paint on the surface, when you spin after you do your modification, everything will spread out and your design would be ruined, or your design will be distorted. So your goal is always to drain out the excess base coat. As you spread your split base coat, you always have to make sure that the two different colors are touching each other. There should not be any gap between the two colors. I'm not going to share the name of the colors now, because I'm going to list all the name of the colors on the description section of the video.
So this area is fine. We can do something here, I think. And we should do something here. So, let's take care of a sore here, quick.
I was very curious how the dot would end up, so I did it, but I'm not feeling it right now. You guys have to tell me because I'm not very sure about the dots. Should I keep it or I can paint it over? Please let me know. I would love to read your comments. Probably I don't answer you often because between the 3 kids and husband and life and job and everything, I don't get enough time to respond each and every one of you, but I do read each and every one of yours comments. So please let me know, should I keep the dot or get rid of it? I would really appreciate it. I hope you liked it. It in person it turned out phenomenal. It looks so pretty. I can't wait it to cure, dry and resin it. Now you can see the close-up pictures and you can see that it's flawless. It's beautiful. Thank you guys for joining me and sharing my journey with me, and keep coming back, and I hope I can keep on posting new videos.